Welcome to Amazing Abby's Kitchen. Subscribe my channel for new, latest and tasty recipes. Jackfruit seed gravy or curry recipe which tastes similar to chicken gravy. First, we have to cook the jackfruit seeds by adding some salt in a pressure cooker for 3 whistles. Now, let's start preparing. Add oil in a pan. When the oil has heated, add whole garam masala into the pan. When the whole garam masala seeds has spluttered, add 1 red chilli and add small onions of about 5 numbers cut into small pieces. It's better to use small onions instead of big onions to all the gravy recipes because it's much healthy and tasty. Add green chilies or capsicum or kodai milahai for about 2 numbers to the pan. Add 1 tomato. Now mix and stir. Allow it until the tomato and onion has cooked. After it has cooked, now add ginger garlic paste. Garlic of about 5 and ginger is made into a fine paste and added. And also add curry leaves. Jackfruit seeds, that is the palapalam kottai of about 20 is added to this recipe. I have already cooked it and now I am just adding the boiled seeds into this recipe. Add 1 cup of water. I am going to make it as a thick gravy, so I have added it. You can also add water more. Add half spoon of chilli powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1/4 spoon of cumin and half spoon of pepper powder, 1 spoon of garam masala. This garam masala makes the dish taste like chicken gravy. So don't forget to add it. Now add salt as per your taste. Now close the lid and cook for about 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes you can see our dish is ready and it is very tasty and amazing dish. So you must try this recipe at home and share your views in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thanking you once again. Bye bye.